Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. I'm just gonna do a quick little watch me work video. I made some press-ons for 4th of July. So I'm just gonna basically just let you guys watch, and then I'll put up, stuff up on the screen if anything, and then if I need to I'll come back in and explain. But yeah, just pretty self-explanatory. I'm just using the long sculptured square tips from Enailcouture. And so yeah, I'll let you guys go ahead and watch, and then I'll be back in a little bit. So right here I'm just showing that I just put some red rhinestones around the pinky finger, the ring finger around the cuticle, and then I just applied a star to the middle and the thumb. And then here I'm just showing I tried to hand paint a firecracker It came out okay. I'm just not good with nail art. I didn't really show it because I didn't even know if I was going to keep it on there. But basically I just put a dot of white polish, you know, on the nail. And then I just dragged out little lines, you know, and then put more polish when I needed to. Just basically drew little lines and then put dots at the end. That's basically all I did. And then now I'm just going in with the hologram power. This polish from Enailcouture, it's that silver rainbow. It's so pretty. Some of it was out of focus. I think it just, the camera likes to focus on certain things. But so yeah, all I'm doing here is just taking that polish and just going over the firecracker there. I wanted it to be like a silver color, so that's all I'm doing there. And then I did go over with some top coat all over the firecrackers, and I'm just applying my cuticle oil here. And so this is the finished set here. I like the way they came out. I really didn't have an idea of what I was gonna do. I just kind of sat down and just whatever I saw on my desk, I just kind of like picked up, you know, here and there. So yeah, I hope everyone has a very safe and happy 4th of July. Enjoy your time with your family and friends, and we will see you next time. Bye.